Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add a watermark in Google Docs. So to add a watermark, go up to Insert and then scroll down to Watermark. Here we have the option to either upload our own image or to type in the watermark that we want. You could simply just type in a watermark, or you can put in whatever you want. So for example, I can put in quik.video. I can change the transparency to make it lighter or darker. I can also change the placement from being in front of the text or being behind the text. So if I push this sentence down a little bit, the watermark is in front of the text, and now it is behind the text. I can also change the orientation from diagonal to horizontal. Well, let's say you don't want it to be a text, you actually want it to be an image. I'll go ahead and show you that as well. So let's go over to image, and I have an image prepared. I'm gonna go and drag it in. I need to select image first, and then I'm going to drag my image into the file. And here's my watermark. It is a quik.video image, and I can make some more customizations to this. So if I select more image options, I can do the transparency again by making it lighter. I can change the brightness, which also changes the color of my image, as well as contrast. You can change the size and rotation. You can change the position of where it is on the page. This is going to be different based on the image. I have a weird image, so it's not really going to change for me. As you can see, there it did. I don't mess with this one too often. And then lastly, you can recolor it. So normally this is a yellow and red image, but I could make it pink and purple or any color options I want, which is pretty interesting. Let's say I'm okay with this. I want this to be my watermark. I press OK. It now saves to every page that needs a watermark. And then if I no longer want the watermark, all I need to do is go back to Insert, Watermark, and then I can remove the watermark. And that's how you add and delete watermarks in Google Docs. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.